everybody. Today we are going to discuss the project management feature of Odoo. In this video, we are going to cover how to create projects. To do so, you can go to projects menu. We have a lot of configuration options in terms of projects, in terms of activity types. Projects, when you click on that, it appears as a dashboard in a Kanban view. If you want to see the details of the projects, can be seen here by clicking on edit. In a project, you need to define a specific name of the project. We can define what will be the name of the task or activities. Under description, you can give a project description. Under settings, you have option who will be the project manager. You can specify the name of the customer. The analytic account is automatically created, and which you can select and change as well. You can define to which users this particular project would be visible. You want internal users, all internal users, so specific internal users will be selected. You can define the company in which this particular project belongs to. Then we have options. Do you want to activate timesheets, whether the timesheets are billable? You can define timers, worksheets, and planning related to this. In the next window, you have the option for invoicing, whether you want the invoice task to customers, a specific customer. Then project, whether the project rates will be based on employees or the project. If employee rates are defined, then you can specify the name of the employee. You can define the sales order item and so on. Please note that the primarily billing focus is based on the project rate and timesheets rate. As you can see, we have associations with all the recorded hours, tasks, and documents which can be created here. I have the option to archive, duplicate, or delete these projects right from here. And I can also share these documents by clicking on this link, and I can choose the name of the person to which this will be shared. Along with this, I have option to attach documents. I can upload my file. I can save this file, and this will be associated with my project. In this way, you will be able to create your projects. We can define here different color combinations. When I go into the planning and task, I will be able to define these tasks and planning as well, which we will be covering in the next subsequent video. Okay. Thank you very much.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.